Here's some wool manufacturer trivia. Subscribe. What animal is primarily raised for wool production? Is it A, horse, B, goat, C, sheep, or D, pig? The correct answer is sheep. What process involves cleaning raw wool? Is it A, carding, B, scouring, C, dyeing, or D, spinning? The correct answer is B, scouring. What term describes the yarn creation process? Is it A, spinning, B, crochet, C, weaving, or D, knitting? The correct answer is A, spinning. Which fabric is made from the fleece of goats? Is it A, wool, B, silk, C, alpaca, or D, cashmere? The correct answer is D, cashmere. What process is used for dyeing wool fibers? Is it A, wool dyeing, B, color fast coating, C, chemical bleaching, or D, tie dyeing? The correct answer is A, wool dyeing. What is wool that has been treated to reduce shrinkage called? Is it A, cashmere blend, B, superwash wool, C, merino fiber, or D, Shetland wool? The correct answer is B, superwash wool. What industry is known for producing wool blankets? Is it A, software industry, B, textile industry, C, automotive industry, or D, food industry? The correct answer is B, textile industry. What is the main protein found in wool? Is it A, silk, B, keratin, C, polyester, or D, cotton? The correct answer is B, keratin. Which invention dramatically improved wool spinning speed? Is it A, spinning jenny, B, flying shuttle, C, cotton gin, or D, loom? The correct answer is A, spinning jenny. What quality indicates how soft and fine wool is? Is it A, staple strength, B, denier measurement, C, pilling index, or D, micron count? The correct answer is D, micron count. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.